What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the best Philips Hue bulb alternative. As you all know, the Philips Hue bulb is an expensive way to control your home lighting with the Google Home or Alexa. The problem with it is very expensive, so this is the best alternative that I have found, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up too. So as soon as you turn on the light bulb, you'll notice that it keeps flashing. This means that it is ready to be paired. First thing you want to do is install the app that it says to on the box, which is this app right here. You're going to want to open the app, wait for it to load. You're going to either accept this or deny this, your choice. Now it's going to ask you to log in or register in case you want to add multiple of these bulbs around your home so it can all be linked to one account. So just give me a moment, I'm going to log in and I'll be back. So now once you have logged in or registered for an account, it's going to ask you to add a device. So you're just going to hit add device. And then you're going to hit next step. And then it's going to want you to enter your Wi-Fi password. Just give me a moment. So once you have connected, it will say device is connecting. Make sure your phone and device are close to your router as possible. So when you're setting up this device, you want to make sure that your light bulb is as close to your router as possible. After, you can move it as far away as you want to, but just for the initiating steps, you need to move it as close as possible just so it can pick it up easier. So now we're just going to wait for this to be done. Should take, 30 seconds. Okay, so once connected, it will pop up this screen saying that it has found the light bulb, it's connected to your network. You're just going to hit done. And then now you have full access to the bulb. So as normal, you can turn it on and off. And then you have color wheel here, so you can turn it to any color you want. The reason the color kind of looks dull on camera is because I have more lights on, so the video could look good. So that's the reason, or else the color is actually the exact same color as you select in real life. So now I'm going to show you how to connect this with Google Home. Okay, so to connect this device, this light bulb to Google Home, all you want to do, you want to hit these three bars in the top left corner. Hit that. You're going to go to Home Control. You're going to hit this little plus icon here. And it's going to say Add Devices. See, I'm already linked, so it says Smart Life, one device. So what's going to happen, for the purpose of the video, I'm going to unlink the account. I'm going to show you how to do this in the start. So what do you want to do? You want to go down until you find Smart Life. So it's going to be named Smart Life because they haven't changed the name in Google Home, but it's the same thing. So you want to find Smart Life. It's going to be under S. There you go. Now what you're going to want to do is going to bring you up to a page where you're going to log in with your account for Smart Life or just your Google account. Just give me one moment. So after you logged in with your Google account, it's now going to ask you again for the login you just created for this light bulb. So this app, you're going to enter your email or phone number and then your password. So give me one moment and I'll be back. So now once you've signed in, you can now ask Google to change the color, turn off the light, and change the brightness. For example, hey Google, change the color of the light to blue.
You got it. Changing the smart bulb to blue.
As you can see, I can change the color and pretty much with Google. It's just like the same way you can do with the Philips Hue bulb, except these are much cheaper. This is the reason why I recommend these bulbs, because they're much cheaper and they work exactly the same as the Philips Hue bulbs. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a like button and let me know what you want to see next on this channel. Thank you.